how cool this is. Comes open like that. And this folds out. Oh my gosh. Is that a little turntable? Oh, hell yeah. Man. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's the top. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Kind of get a sense for what's going on. What's on the back there? Oh, that's the vent. Okay. Oh, cute, very cute. Huh. Oh, that's fun. I like that. Let me lock. Ooh. That is pretty fun right there. Line all this up, get it nice and seated so that it lives there forever. Whoa. Man, look at that. Simple. That's all there is to it. Nice little airbrush station. This is cool. I'm pretty sure I really don't need instructions for this. I'll just figure it out. We don't need to go with the instructions. Oh, cool. They actually gave us hose clamps. That's nice. They're not very great, but they are hose clamps. Okay. You know what? I might not read the instructions, but I am going to look at them. This guy here doesn't seem to go onto that. This seems to go on the back. So let's... And this guy here goes somewhere else. So and then you have this guy here. Let's figure this out. Whoa, you can actually pick it up as one piece? Man, you can't ask for anything better than this. This is great. Alright, so I'm going to line that up. Is that the way I'm supposed to do it? Line that up there. Right? I don't know if I'm doing it right. Oh wait, you can see it from this side. Oh wait, I can see it. Okay. This is what you want to do. There you go. And they all click into place. Really clever the way they designed that. Got your little on switch there. Alright, we'll look at the instructions. Let's see how they want us to do it. It looks like they put the rubber thing on this side, and then they just simply attach the hose on that side. Okay. So the rubber thing is going to go here, and then this guy is going to go here, and then you tighten it. Alright. Whoa! Whoa! This thing is fucking huge. Okay. Shorten it a little bit. It should be this long. This is the coolest thing. So I'm assuming this goes inside of it, or no? How does this go? Oh wait, maybe it's supposed to go on this end because this end's bigger. Yeah, that makes more sense. It seems to be how that would go. Looks like it needs 1, 2, 3. So let's give it 3. Has 3 now. Turn this off. This is not very